Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Rajesh exports. Please understand that I am not a SEBI registered person. Don't take my advice and invest in the stock market. It depends upon you whether you should invest or not. You should understand why you are going to invest in the stock market and why you are going to invest in this type of stock. Understood? Examples, let us take today that market cap is 16,504. So you should understand this is not a very big cap. This is a mid cap leader, and the P ratio was 11.5. It is not very bad. The 11.5 of P ratio is very good according to my understanding. And the current price is 559 and the book value is 499. You should understand that the book value is 499, which is approximately 500, and the current price is 559. So it is very undervalued stock according to me, because the sometimes book value will be 10 times, sorry, the current price will be 10 times of book value. So please understand that the current value is very low. It was very near to the book value. It is not 1 point, it was not double or triple. So that's why it is a very good stock to look into it, and why we should understand why it is very undervalued stock according to me. And will it grow back to its higher level? The high is 1030 and the low is 542. It was in the very base level of 559. So 542 is very low. According to 52 weeks low, it is 542 and the high is 1030. If it is getting back to 1030, then the profit will be approximately 90 to 80 to 90%. And look into it, the ROC is 10.3. The ROC is not very good, because if you are getting ROC above 20%, then the stock is very good in terms of management and how they are managing their profitability and also that kind of stuff. So you should understand the ROC is not very good according to me, and the face value was 1. So please understand, it was about 946 on the 2023 February, and it was dramatically different. And why it was decreasing, you should understand that. And 3 years back, from the last 5 years, it came near to 800 about 2 times, right? And the P ratio, you check the P ratio, the P ratio was 11.8. It is 10.9 in the period of Corona is different, because you see the Rajesh exports and imports. In the Rajesh exports, company is a gold refiner, manufacturer and exporter of gold products. So in the time of COVID, the problem was the mining, the retail, the wholesale, the exports, the manufacturing, all are decreased. Please understand that in the COVID time, it got affected. People thought that it is not going to survive if the COVID is continuous, because there will be a problem in retail, wholesale and exports and manufacturing and refining and mining of the gold mines. That's why people thought it will be going to affect the stock market, and that's why they decreased. And the PE ratio there is approximately about 10.5 and 11.5, and now you are getting it at very cheaper price, compared to the last two years. But you are getting it approximately 11.8. In my point of view, it is the best time to invest in this stock. Please again understand that I am not a CB registered person, so please consider, analyze yourself, sit on this stock before and analyze why you are putting this money. Because if I am saying that please go and invest in this stock, if you are going to invest in this stock and if it is fall by 5 to 10%, then you are going to think that the stock will be going down further, and you take the money out of it, and you will be losing the 10% amount of money, your capital money, or you losing about 10%. Please understand that if stock market gives you money, understand this, please. I am saying again, 99% of people will be losing money in this stock market, and only 1% of the people will be gaining money in the stock market. If you want to be that 1%, then you should be patient. You should understand the business. You should understand the how the fundamentals are. You should understand that why the technical are very important and the fundamentals are important, and the growth prospect is important. So I'm keeping all the point of views of exporting, point of view of fundamentals, technical analysis, chart patterns, and the business, on everything on your side. So you should understand and you should take the decision if you are going to invest in this stock. If it is fall by 5 to 10%, then I am going to take it an advantage, and I will be buying more stocks in the Rajesh exports. If it is growing much higher, then I will be seeing is it a good time to buy or not. So please understand why you're keeping the money. If you are in the 99%, you are going to lose money. If you are that 1%, you will be gaining the money as much as you can. So the company is debt free. This word makes me realize that how company can, you can understand the company. So they are debt free. They are not on the they don't have much loans. Almost it is not debt free, totally debt free company, but almost debt free company, and the stock is trading at 1.15 times in the book value. Company is expected to give good quarter. Okay, tax rate seems low. Company has the low returns of equity over the last 3 years. Dividend payout has been low at 2.83. So let us understand the dividend. If the dividend payout is much higher, then some people think that, dividend payout is much higher, so I am going to invest in this stock and I will be getting dividend every year or every quarter. Then, I will be making some lot of money of 10 crores or 20 crores, and I will be sitting in my home. That is not how it works. Dividend payout is a way that they don't know how to expand the company. If they are not giving dividend, then they know how to expand the company, how to handle the business, how to emerging in new states or new countries. So giving dividend payout of lot of money like 100% or 1% to 110% will be a red flag for me, and my entire portfolio or dividend payout is much lesser, like about 10 to 20% of dividend payout will be getting. And you can see, let me take some examples and understand you why I'm saying you dividend payout is a red flag. Let us take Coal India. Okay, Coal India, it is a debt free company. All things are good. They are providing the dividend yield of 8.92. And see here, the business was expanding exponentially, 70 to 1,38,000. They are making the profit of 28,000, 14,000 to 28,000. The profit was not more than the not more than the double. In the last 10 years, it was only grown by double. Please understand this. The company is not generating that much of profit because it doesn't know how to handle the business. Like it is a government company, so that's why I'm not taking on this, because government companies is not necessarily work for the their profits and their standalones. It work for the people. So I'm saying, for examples, I'm saying they are giving dividend of 121.95. You are seeing this a lot of money, but you should understand it depends upon the face value, the dividend payout, not only how many stocks you are buying. So here the face value was 10. Yeah, okay. So you should understand this. The dividend payout is a red flag for a company, and you should not investing in giving dividend of 121%, 95%, or 133% like this, because they don't know how to expand the company, and it will be giving you a red flag. It will not be developing there. So I told you about the dividend, why tax rate seems low. I will discussing about it, and the pros and cons are generated by machines. Please understand this. And let us go to the peer comparison. Is it a market leader? Yes, definitely it is a market leader. The Rajesh Exports is a market leader, and the Kalyan Jewels. And understand this, I'm going to bet on the companies which are a market leaders. If it is not a market leader, absolutely I will avoid it. In most of the cases, but it was giving, if it was a giving in very good results, then I will be considering it. Examples, Vibe Global, it was in my portfolio because it has a good returns. I will be discussing in other video why the Vibe Global is very good, and if it is not market leader, then why I put a lot of money, a good amount of money in the Vibe Global. And I'm also invested in the Rajesh Sports in the huge manner. I am saying huge manner. And please understand, here this is the quarter to quarter results. I don't want to quarter to quarterly results. I'm going with the yearly results. So yearly sales was increased from 31,000 to 3,39,000. You see the Coal India, understand the Coal India, it was 72,000 to 1,38,000, and the Rajesh Exports completed to 72,000 to 1,38,000. Right? uh, yeah, 31,000. How much it was gone? Double the time, right? You should understand that the dividend payout is very low because they want to expand their business. They want to make as profit, and the expenses is much higher because it is a gold material. Gold material will be always higher in their cost. Understand this. The expenses will be always higher because of the material. So material is not a wood. Material is not a aluminium. Material is not a steel. It's a gold. So the material cost will be much higher than what you expected. So it is not a red flag because we understood the business. It was good doing the gold business. it was doing the retail, wholesale, exports, manufacturing, refining, and mining kind of things. And see here once again, the tax is for the before tax 490, 404, 726, 1112, 1303, 1342, 1346, 1261, 894, 1000, 1478. The profit was considerably increasing from the last 3 years, because for the last, it is the highest ever profit that made by the Rajesh Exports in the few years. And please understand the balance sheet. The borrowings was 2000 crores, which is a loan amount. The borrowing was 2000, 3000, 3000, 4000, 5000, and 8000 and 6000. It was decreasing considerably. See here, from the 6000 it jumped to 1000, 1815, and 724. If you are seeing the profit was making 1400 crores and the loan amount was 724, so you will be giving half of the money to loan, and the borrowings will be nil. But according to the corporate, they take borrowings and they make the taxes much lower as they can. They should understand, they should understand how to manage their taxes and get more returns, get more profitability in their company, and they should expand. This total assets was decreased considerably because of they decreased their fixed assets from 1500 to 1400, and the reserves was increased very good. It is the highest ever reserves that was there, and 1541, because I think they sell their money and they decreased their borrowings to gain some profits. And please understand this, the inventory days was much lesser from the from the last 8 years. From the last 4 years it was at a very good stage. And the you should understanding the shareholder patterns. So let me go to the yearly basis, and the fourth 43.94 to 54.05. So they increased about 0. Somewhere around 0.1, or 0.15, that kind of stuff. And please understand, the FIA is also increasing from the last 3 years. They increased it, and the DIA is also increased there, and they are looking forward to increase their shares because it was getting much more cheaper than it should be. It was very undervalued stock. Again, this is the fundamental analysis. Let us go to the business analysis and understand what the Rajesh Exports will be doing, and why it was impacted in the COVID time, and why the stock market was falling the COVID time, and why it was falling. See here, this is Rajesh Exports and Imports business. This is about retail, wholesale, exports, manufacturing, refining, and mining, right? These are all the 6 factors that is contributing the company's growth. Please understand, in the COVID time, in the lockdown period, the retail, wholesale, exports, manufacturing, refining, and mining all are stopped. But they had done their significant work. They impacted the whole Rajesh Exports and Imports, and the price came back from the 418 to exponentially high with 1080, with a profit percentage of 60 to 70%. And please understand, the company is a world with presence across the entire value chain of gold, from refining to retailing. Largest processor of gold, REL, processes 35% of gold produced in the world. Please understand this, 35% of a single company owning the largest processor of gold in the world. Understand this, 35% in the whole world is not a small thing. It is a very, very, very good manufacturer, retail, wholesale, exports, or whatever it is. It is a significant impact on the gold. So largest exporter of gold product from India, lowest cost gold jeweler producer in India. So world's finest gold products manufacturing and R&D facilitated at various places. Main facility began in Bangalore, India, and the main refining facility somewhere in Switzerland. Extensive marketing network covering entire India and the major gold markets of the world. REL has one of the largest active jewelry design database of 29,000 designs. Please understand, there is a lot of designs. They know how to take the business and take to the world class as it is. So this is this is about what it is. This shows the how the business was going. If all the gold in the world is metal, it would form a cube of 20 meters, and the world is 1,500 metric tons somewhere, or something. Okay, so you should understand why you're so the growth prospect is much good. And let us go to the technicalities and understand why we are investing in the Rajesh Exports. Yeah, the 52 week high is around here, I think. Yeah, it was dropped significantly of 45.88%. And let us show how many times, let us show if it was go back to the its own, because it's high, then it will be getting me 83.83%. So please understand, 83.3% is a not a small profit. If you are investing 10,000 rupees, you are going to get 8,000 rupees of profit, and the entire net worth will be 18,000. Please understand, if you are investing more, like about I'm investing, if I'm investing 10 crores, then my profit will be 8 crores, 83 crores. Please understand how much different it makes to me. So entire portfolio of mine will be increased with like examples like 183 crores, which is doubled in last in if it is in the 1 year, okay. If it takes 2 years, then also it is fine for me, because getting of 40% CAGR is not a less, it not is not a very bad thing, right? Yeah, let me take this examples and understand. So this is a resistance line, sorry, this is a support line. Yeah, this is a support line, 1, 2, and 3. I want to change the work here. First time, this is second time, and this is third time. Let me change the ink. This is the second time, and this is the third time, or this also. Yeah, first time, second time, third time, and fourth time it was met 2 days before. Fifth time and sixth time, it is the support level for begin more than 6 years, 6 to 7 years. It was giving me support, and it is a exceptional case, because I'm saying it is a COVID time period. That's why it was like this. Please understand why it was gone wrong, because it is a COVID time. All stocks are fallen into it, and that's why it was. And let me take this, or yeah, yeah, this will be the breakout line. If it will be breaking out, then the profit will be much higher than what it is. Let me take this as my profit percent of 950. If it is 950, then I am going to sell for example. Please understand this. Please understand, it was gone first time and gone high and came back. Second time, gone high and came back, and see here, it was danced 2 times and gone back. It is going high, but unfortunately the COVID came and came back. Understand this. It will be going high, but unfortunately the COVID came. That's why it was falling. Yeah. After falling, it came back to the support resistance line. 2 times, then gone up. Came back 2 times, gone up. Came back again dancing. Yeah. Yes. This is going to be giving you profit. And once again, I am saying, I am not a SEBI registered person. I'm not giving any advice. I am telling my perspective, how you should see the stocks and how you will be getting profits. Understand? Please don't uh, go through my perspectives or my kind of stuff. Please understand your fundamentals, please understand the business, and please understand the technicals, how it was moving. See here, it is a support line. It was going back, coming here, dancing 2 times, going high. It was exceptional because it was a COVID time. Came back, yeah, jump, and again gone back, jump, again gone back, jump, and it will be going back. So this is my understanding, this is my prospect of investing in this Rajesh exports business, because I know it will be going very giving me some profits to make some bucks in my portfolio. And is it risky? Not risky. It is not very risky. It is not very risky, I'm saying. It was a good stock to invest in. And once again, I'm telling, I'm not a SEBI registered person, so please don't take any arguments. Please understand, take your own time, take uh, your own time, research on the company, how it works and why it was falling, and understand the business prospect, a technical prospect and fundamental prospect, and please invest according to your knowledge. Thank you.